Every day there are so many patients who are getting discharged, so many patients who are unfortunately dying and getting discharged, and therefore there must be beds that must be made available. But check the BBMP website at any point in the day or any point in the night, the BBMP bed booking software shows that all beds are blocked. How does this take place? So many people, there's a nexus of certain BBMP officers, certain Arogya Mitras in hospitals and certain private agents outside who have made this bribe for bed scam. So asymptomatic patients are blocked beds. People who are at home isolation, who are not even aware, who are not even in need of hospitalization, beds are blocked under their names and under their BU numbers. Thereafter, certain people who are outside agents speak to the people in charge in the war rooms and then re-allot the bed to those people who make a certain payment to a certain person outside. So this allotting of beds to asymptomatic patients, later re-allotting it to patients based on certain pecuniary or otherwise considerations, is a most disgusting thing that can take place during a pandemic. Second, in the last 7-8 days, the data that we have analyzed, more than 4,065 cases have come to light where beds that have been booked by the BBMP have gotten auto unblocked. What does this mean? A certain patient who does not need a bed is allotted a bed. Thereafter, for a period of 12 hours, the bed is reserved in his name. Every patient gets 12 hours to go and get himself admitted. One, I do not understand why there must be 12 hours of time when people want to get to the hospital bed in all urgency. There is no rationale for keeping it for as long as 12 hours. So once a bed is allotted, for 12 hours, the BBMP authorities try to find somebody to sell the bed along with these agents. When they cannot do that,